Okay, this is going to be video number 2. Whatever number it is. Anyhow, I'm going to start working on taking the fenders off. As far as I can tell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts along the top. Oh, 2 underneath here. 1 right there. 1 up in a hole right there. And back here is the fun one. The hidden little gadget. Turn the light on so you can see here. There it is. That one right there. Those should be all the bolts required to take a fender off. So I'm about to give it a whirl. If I run across any other miscellaneous bolts, I'll let you know. I don't know if I need to take the bumper off. I may need to take the bumper off because it looks like, yeah, I've got some sort of attachment right there. Not sure what else is in here, so we'll start with that. All right, well, wasn't going to be as easy as I thought. So let's climb up underneath here so I can show you a couple more hidden bolts. Oh, look, sunshine. If you climb up underneath here, oh, focus is bad. Let's try this again. Come on, you can focus. I know you can't. Oh, I was thinking about it. There's one there. There's one way up here. Oh, hey. And there's one on the side right up there, if you can see it. There, it's kind of focusing. And of course, getting at those little buggers, it's not going to be fun. Oh, see how that goes. So those 3 bolts right there, remember the ones I pointed to up underneath the cowl right there? Yeah, this is them. When you go to take them out, beware. You're going to hate life. Doable, but a pain. Well, I guess you should notice that no more headlights, no more bumper, no more grill, no more lots of parts, but the bloody fenders are still on there. I think I'm finally getting down far enough where I can get them loose. Alrighty, got it. That was about 2 hours of work with hand tools to get to this point here. There was some cursing and cussing involved. Some of those bolts were a tad bit difficult. Crazy things like, let's see if you can see it here, zip tied together pieces. Go figure. Oh, and the bolts up under there were fun. See how that is? Yeah, whoever thought that one up, yeah, wow, not a good idea. Anyhow, about 2 hours, break time.